Hello guys, today we are going to make review about Singage Part 1 Organic Chemistry written by K.S. Verma for JEE Advance, and even you can refer it for mains also. We'll get a QR code and some test series with this license key. Even they will give a free app, Singage app, which is available at Play Store. This is the content, a very detailed content. You can see it. This book contains 9 chapters in total. Means like it contains class 11th CBSE and even first year syllabus also. This is abbreviation. By seeing index you can just read the topic like that, because the index is very detailed. There are a very huge amount of example problems in this book. Like example, in one chapter we'll get minimum 50 to 60 example problems. And this is the exercise. You can see comprehensive type questions, match the following type questions, multiple correct answer type questions, and most important for JMN, single answer type questions. In nomenclature we have 46 questions of single answer type. And you can see we'll also get the previous year questions. The solution is given in a very detailed form. There is no need of teacher to clarify your doubts. If you see the solution, it is more than enough. You can see organic reaction mechanism here. See. In this book they give in-test examples. There are 16 in-text examples and again a separate examples at the end. And those examples are 11 examples for us. See the exercise questions. Again the same pattern, comprehensive type, match the following type, multi-correct answer type, and for JEE single correct answer type. The solution is given in a very detailed form, and even we'll get previous year questions. See the solution guys. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like it. We'll get a DPP also with this book, and this book is 759 rupees. In offline or online stores will get this book for something around 600 to 700 rupees. Okay, thank you.